Running these What's good, YouTube? It's your boy NKMD, one half of the Storyline Siblings, and guys, today my face is breaking out. We're almost quarantined, I think. A bunch of negative things are happening right now. So yeah. On a positive note, for today's rewatch reaction, it will be Birds of Prey and the long title of a Harley Quinn. So, also guys, make sure to stick around the entire video because we are hosting another giveaway. So please, if you want to be a part of it, stick around the entire video. Also, like, comment, share, subscribe. And without further ado, let's get it. Let's go.
To really reflect on the mistakes of my past. To move on, to make new friends.
You're a sugar. Please.
So I really put myself out there. Especially since I know you. I can. I actually use Ori's delicate sense of mental equilibrium, me immunity. I could do whatever I wanted to whoever I wanted.
This is God.
Sure they are, Shell. That's why she's still wearing that tacky J necklace.
Some people have the Eiffel Tower or Olive Garden. The Joker and I love construction.
This is really, I think, one of the best parts of the whole thing. This right here.
A chance to be my own woman. Fucking want.
Let's go.
Meet
Let's go.
the cop.
Got 50 scissors.
10 years ago, she broke a career-making case.
Did I stutter?
Okay.
The shooter got close before drawing. 6 rounds. 2 for each of these 3.
Huntress.
This guy right here. No me.
She.
We got a hair. And he's got a new assassin. Only shoot. Good work, officer.
Lauren got a lot of people in this city want me dead. And at the top of that list is...
I thought we could build something beautiful together. I thought we what? About her.
Hasn't yet hit my radar. See, I was halfway across town. Hungover, ready to start my new life. With the perfect, I don't know if it's the stray Armenian arm hair or the fact that his cheese slices are always 6 months out.
Stop them, PD!
Yeah, I don't think so. Cops who never would have dared come after me before was suddenly doing this.
Like, literally, everyone's after her. Like, how is she not like, that's crazy. For her. Wow. A man in a wheelchair.
You haven't had breakfast yet. Yeah, but I dare a lot of people to do a lot of things, okay? Come on, I'm not even with him anymore.
I know. Hey, it's Detective Montoya. Respect your elders. I mean, you're elderly.
Don't let you. Yo, Simpson!
Yeah.
He had 4 people killed alone last night.
If Roman Sionis is such a mastermind, how did he get fired from his own?
Listen, I had a source at the club. His driver. He said that Roman couldn't stop talking about this thing.
Bank accounts, the details of which were said to be encoded in
That's
the atomic
crazy.
structure of a
That's
30-carat diamond.
You said you had someone on the inside?
Yes, he's...
Black Canary.
Captain, no.
Is it Munro?
Find me some tangible connection to psionics, all right?
He gave my kiss away. Poor Renee. Why don't you pour yourself a drink? It's almost noon. Wow. Thanks, Cassandra Kane. Holy fuck.
This was a masterpiece. This was, oh my gosh. Woo. Let's go.
Gotta take you back a few days. It's that night I got shit
I
first Black Canary.
loved how, like, it always, oh, actually, hold up.
She's got a killer.
Look, if you bring your boys into the fold, there are no limits to what we can. Here comes Roman Sionis. He was handed life on a silver spoon. Gin and tonics.
Silas.
You just killed his BFF.
It's about to get lit, guys. I'm lit right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Damn.
Brothers! Man of Gotham! I have fun. The rest, you can kill.
Hey, nice. What the hell is up with this bow and arrow shit? Is that a fucking bow and arrow? Down here! Follow me!
This was the whole, oh, this was amazing. This was amazing. Let's go on.
Get off me.
That's sad, because she literally saved her life plenty of times. It's not that.
You gotta go. You gotta move. You're in the car.
In your voice. Damn.
Hit the brakes!
Let's go, let's go. Woo!
Here's the thing. Really fucking quit.
She shot at rocks.
For what it's worth, you made me want to.
Okay. Yeah. He's gone. Good.
That's funny.
Classic.
Wow. I really like how you were able to kick so high in those.
They're giving him fruit juice, laxatives. I mean, the kid's got a stomach made of steel.
Oh, what now?
Sionis is gone, but it's just a matter of time before some other ass.
That's right. That's right.
The gangbangers at the booby trap and took all the credit.
That's
while he was
crazy.
at it. I off the dime, and Hunter's got her family money back.
Ooh.
She's using it to fund some in the East End.
Okay, guys, I'm about to wrap this thing up, guys. First of all, this movie was honestly, now that I'm re-watching again, I'm just like, I'm in awe in just how much this film is slept on. Just like, obviously it's bad marketing and all that stuff, but like, for Margot Robbie, that's usually just an actress, she helped and had a huge role into making this own movie. So that shows her passion for this, which I appreciate as a fan. Also, this shows just how creative she can be, even if she isn't playing the role of Harley Quinn. But I think of this whole movie, my favorite character is obviously Huntress. You all already know I favor her always in the rap battle. I was rooting for her the whole entire time. And in this, watching it, I was just like, every time she was on the, I guess, screen, like, she caught my eye, and I would totally buy or watch her own spin-off. But also, I wish that Black Canary had more time to explain her powers of her voice, because now all of a sudden at the end you see her real powers and no lead up to that. But I guess with budgeting and all that stuff, that's why. But yeah, guys, time to talk about our second giveaway announcement. Now, we will be giving away Birds of Prey through code as soon as we hit 500 subscribers. So guys, here are the new rules, which I posted on our social medias. If you have not seen them, please follow us on social media. I will have the links to everything you need to know in the description below. But anyways, here are the rules in which you need to follow in order to win this code. 1, subscribe to our channel if you have not already. If you have, then you're in already, and just show us proof, then yeah. 2, follow us on social media, which is Instagram and Twitter. Again, the links will be below. And the last step for 3 is to tell us when you actually followed 1 and 2. That's it, and you will win Birds of Prey. It's just that simple. But anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the bell, because we post every day. If you're not new to the channel, thank you for being a member of the Storyline Siblings family. And lastly, run your views up. Run your views up.